KickStart Pro is a virtual trading room, first and foremost. It's an online trading community. It's personal coaching and development and mentoring. All in all, though, it's designed to be the ideal bridge between market theory that you learn in your education, whether pursuing with us or elsewhere, and application, right? In other words, experience, applying what you learn to the real world and doing so consistently and effectively. That's what KickStart Pro is all about. We want to make good traders. That's what it's all about for us. We want to make good traders.